Hey, what's up, you guys? Welcome back. Today's video, we're going to do an update for Cardano. So right now the price is at 51.67. Market cap, we are down just shy of 1%. 24-hour volume, we're down 30% here. So going over to our chart, I've got it laid out on a daily chart so we can be able to see the progression. And just yesterday too, we can see the spinning top at the very top here, trying to reach our resistance line, but got capped up around 78% of our fib. So for the price is going to come back down, we can take a look at our RSI. We saw the crossover of our K and our D signal lines, and it does in fact do signal that we are considered to be overbought at the moment, and we're going to come back and retrace down. Not only that, but we do see some weakness in our momentums using our MACD indicator. So if we quickly take a look, I'm going to scroll out here, get as much data as on our volume indicator. I'm going to quickly close this here and do a new fib from the top all the way to the bottom here, and it does look like we are going to retrace closer to this volume node. If you guys can see that, that's sticking out at 49 cents. So this is a day timeline that I have it set. So roughly around 49 cents is going to be where the price is going to retrace down. Hopefully it does give us enough momentum as soon as we hit over the 20% line of our RSI to bounce very nicely, because this is going to be very crucial. Closer to 61% is because it's closer to our 20 MA, which may potentially break this uptrend. You'll notice that as soon as we're coming down here on June 20th, multiple rejections from the 20 moving average line here, treated as a resistance line, coming back up, treated as a good support line. So this is going to be a good alert if price does come back down to 61%, 49 cents, if we can be able to bounce and hold support at the the support line here. So going into immediate short term for 4 hours, we're going to take a look at the same kind of things of our RSI because they do bounce differently. Already, once I switched it over, we can see our Bollinger Bands are squeezing in. We have the Bollinger Band squeeze, and where is the price at? It is near the 20 MA, which gives us an alert here that we are going to come back down again closer to our 61% of this fib here that I originally had, and it's roughly around the 50 cents here. We can see the crossover of our RSI. We see the white line at the below and the pink line coming up. So again, considered to be oversold or overbought at 89%. We can see that the price as well was consolidating sideways, even though the price of the RSI was increasing, is because we have the momentum of our MACD in the bearish market here. We can see how small these histograms are, meaning that the trend isn't as strong. However, it does open it up. We can see how crucial these bars ended up on July 25th, on how big the bars get until it finally hits an area of support that we saw roughly around the 45 cents there. So if price is going to come back down, and it is going to come back down because we had that crossover essentially right here, you guys, price is going to retrace closer down to the 50 cents here, and it is going to be observed closer to the bottom of the Bollinger Band. So we're going to follow up on this coin here tomorrow and kind of see on a 4-hour time frame and our day time frame where the price is at on the chart itself with a few of our indicators. But if we do come back down, we can ultimately see our Bollinger Band is going to signal that it is considered to be oversold. However, let's reference our RSI and see where along is that percentage when it comes down to this area here. It could possibly be on the outskirts of the 20%, or it could possibly be before the 20%, because if it does come back down, you can see we only hit support and gradually come up after it crosses this line of these two indicators. So that's my update for Cardano, you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you tomorrow.